Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're going to take a look at the Wenger Mini Spotlight Swiss Army knife. And this is a knife that's been discontinued, well, kind of withdrawn, whatever you want to call it. But these are still around. You can find them without too much difficulty. Generally look on eBay. They're not very expensive. They're like maybe 10 or 15 bucks. So open this thing up and take a look at it. See what we got. See if we can get it out. The box seems to be tricky. Battle us versus the box. The box looked for a moment like it was going to win. Alright. So... Alright. Do we have any instructions? Do we have any other goodies in here? Maybe? What all do we have in here? Hiding out. We've got a little thing, I guess. Well, that's just pointless. So, let's peel these little things off here. There's not one on that side. Okay. So, this is a 65 millimeter version as opposed to the 58 with the classic size Victorinox. And this one has a light. I don't know if y'all can really see that very well. You see the light? I don't want to shine it directly into the camera, but if you press down here, you get the light. It's not super bright, but you might be able to find your keys or something. So let's see. This has scissors, and this has the Wenger kind of scissors with the lever versus the Victorinox ones that have the little spring. Like so. And for comparison light wise, this is a Victorinox signature light, and the light's a little brighter, but it also might be a battery issue. And the scissors for the other tools, we got the little short pen knife blade. Again, you get a little bit longer blade because of the 65 versus 58 millimeter, and you get a little bit more nail file. Maybe you get a little more nail file. Yeah, you get a little more nail file. As you can see, you get a little more nail file. Also, the classic signature light has a little screwdriver end here, where this is like one of those cuticle thingy points, I think. Alright, while we're looking at this thing, let's take a look at how you get to the batteries. It looks like there's a little, I don't know if y'all can see the seam. It's just on camera. Can y'all see that little seam right there? Okay. So there's a little kind of door thing that slides out that has the batteries. And I'm assuming you replace the batteries and slide the door thing back in. And still lights up, which I consider an accomplishment. And then it's got tweezers. We have sacrificed our toothpick for the sake of a light. So it's not a bad little knife. It's pretty light. It's actually, the signature light is heavier than this one. So, anyway, I don't know. Kind of an interesting little knife. If you want to pick one up, They're on eBay. I got this one for like $9, $10, including shipping. So they're not super expensive. They're not terribly difficult to find. If you want a little bit larger classic with the light, not a bad option. Anyway, let me know what you think in the comments. If you think this is, glad it's gone, or think you want one. And if there's any kind of Swiss Army knife or anything that you'd like me to take a look at, let me know. If you have enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And I hope you all have an excellent day.